Hey there! Tired of that pesky HUD interrupting your CS2 gaming experience on PC? No worries, I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to hide it. So, let's dive straight in and make your gaming hassle-free. First off, you need to enable the Developer Mode console. Here's how. Open CS2 on your computer. Then click on the gear icon located at the top left corner to access the settings. Next, switch to the Game tab. After that, look for the options Enable Developer Console at the top. Then click the box next to it and select Yes to turn it on. Voila! Your console is now enabled. Press the backtick key or the one below Escape to bring it up. Next, type in CL_draw_only_death notices space true and hit enter. And just like that, the HUD menu will vanish when you're in the game. And there you have it. That's how you disable the HUD in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. Want more CS2 related tips and tricks? Simply subscribe to the channel because we've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.